Hi everyone, my name's Marie and today we're going to be bringing you ScienceWorks' all-time favourite, messiest experiment, Icky disgusting messy slime. So, to make our slime, first thing you want to do is go somewhere where it's okay to get a little bit messy, like your kitchen is a great place. You're going to need a few things. You'll need a bowl, a spoon to mix with, some water, some cornflour powder, a measuring jug or some measuring cups, and some food dye. You want to take 2 cups of cornflour and put it in your bowl. Next, you want about a cup of water to add to the cornflour. The key is to add it a little bit at a time to make sure that you get the right mixture. And now, get stirring. When you're happy with the consistency of your mixture and you have some food dye, you want to add a couple of drops. And again, stir it in. Do you think that it is a solid or a fluid? Fluids tend to take up the space of the containers that they're actually in, like water, for example, or honey. They're both fluids. Solids tend to stay in the shape that they are, like my solid spoon here. So at rest, slime definitely acts like a fluid, but if we apply a force to it, its thickness or viscosity will change it, and it acts like a solid. Cornflour slime is known as a non-newtonian stir-thickening fluid. Let's test this further. For the strong ones in the audience, I want you to punch the slime. You ready? Nothing really happened. That's because I was applying a strong force to it. But let's see what happens if you punch the slime
in slow motion.
Here we go. Icky, disgusting, sticky slime. What else can you do with it? Can you mold it in a ball? Can you juggle it? Let us know your results on ScienceWorks social media.